Hello everybody, I'm back. I'm sorry it's been so long. It's been 2 weeks since I've put out a video. I've actually been really busy and haven't been able to do anything travel related for those couple of weeks because life has gotten in the way. I've actually moved house and I've moved into the official city of Melbourne, which is really exciting because I've always lived really far out of the city in Victoria, and everything has always been a really big distance for me to get to. So I'm really excited for the change that this is, and today I'm pretty much just going to be doing a day in the life vlog of what my life sort of looks like at the moment because I'm still in the middle of trying to move house, so everything is a big mess. I haven't even brought Brent over here yet, so he's still at my parents' house. So I moved out with my friend Elsa.
Hello, I'm Elsa.
Who I lived with a couple of years ago, and that's how we met. She was also looking for a place around the area that I was looking, so we decided to look for somewhere together for about 6 months or so until we figure out what we're doing next. And I think this is the perfect little place. It's really small, but the location is fantastic, so it'll be a cool new chapter. Pretty much today I woke up very early after being up very late last night trying to build furniture, and I went to PT. Good morning everybody, it is 7:05 AM and I am just getting up to go to PT and I have to leave in 15 minutes. And then I went out for breakfast with my friend Britt, and then I came back here and now I am about to sort out the gigantic mess that is this house. And then I'm hoping to go pick up Brenny and bring him back and grab another load of stuff while I'm at it. So stay tuned for all that excitement. I've just made myself a tea and my room's coming together. I think I've made some progress. I can see the floor. I changed my bed. I just have a lot of clothes to go through and put away. My cupboard is like looking all right. So probably only another 43 hours of room cleaning to do. So I'm going to take a quick break from cleaning my room and I'm just going to build one of these cubes from Kmart for Elsa's room, and then I've got a bigger one to build for the bathroom. And I built one last night for my cupboard. So that should be some fun. Okay, it did take half the day, but my room is now ready. Today was a big day. I sorted my whole room out. I built those 2 cubes. I went to PT. I had breakfast with Britt. Make sure you stay tuned for the next few episodes I have coming up on Em Around the Globe. I have some really exciting surprise day trip activities planned. So if you're one of those people that know you have an activity coming up, then definitely get excited because they are ones that you should not miss. I am finally off to Dad's now, a little bit later than expected. It'll take me about an hour to get there. So I'm going to go see Brent and drop off a car full of cardboard from the move. Pick a couple of things up. Then I'm going to come back home. So about 2 hours of driving. And that's probably where I'll end the vlog for the night. So, yeah. Hello, my little friend. All right, well, this is it, Dad. I'm off to my new house. It's been great living with you.
Yeah, it is.
I think we've had a lot of fun.
Good.
We've done a lot. I think the dogs will miss me. You'll miss me. Do you have any memories over the last 3 months you'd like to reminisce on? Yeah. All right. Well, I'm off now, Dad.
Oh, see ya. Fran, how can we get our photo together?
Oh, sorry, it's on.
Can we get a...
Thank you so much for watching another episode. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to go and like, comment if you have any questions, and then subscribe to see more if you want to see more. I really appreciate all the support, and I look forward to seeing you next time.